Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Shri Rama Bharti Public School. This is Natasha here, and in this video we will be studying about our second climatic control, that is altitude. In the previous videos we had learned about the basic concepts of climate and weather, and we had started with the factors that affect the climate. We had seen how latitude affects the climate of a place. In this video, we will see how altitude affects the climate of a place. So, a basic question that arises is, what is altitude? Now, altitude is the distance measurement in vertical or upward direction. The height of a place above the sea level, or the vertical height of a place above the sea level, is called the altitude of that place. Whenever we measure height of a place, we take the sea level as base. And the altitude does not have any connection with latitude or longitude. Places can be at heights, even at equatorial regions. Even at 0 degree latitude, there are many places that can be at great heights. So altitude does not depend on latitude or longitude. Now, as we move to higher altitude, the temperature decreases. As we climb higher, the temperature decreases. Now, why is that so? Because the most amount of air mass is present near ground, near the surface. And because that air has carbon dioxide, it captures the heat and it makes the ground even hotter. Now, as we move upwards or as we go upwards, what happens is the amount of air decreases, and so the amount of carbon dioxide decreases as well. And when the amount of carbon dioxide decreases in a particular place, the temperature decreases as well. Now, first observe the climate at hill stations. Just imagine all the places that are hill stations. They have cold climate, correct? Now compare the climatic condition of places at same latitude of Himalayas. You have to compare the climatic condition of places that fall at the same latitude of Himalayas. Now I'm talking about latitude. Now what I mean by this point is, see, this is the latitude that passes through all of these places. Correct? This latitude is passing through here, and it includes places like Saudi Arabia, it includes places like Qatar, Bahrain, Pakistan, and our Himalayan region as well. Then it further includes China. So, what I want to say is, do all of these places have the same temperature like we have in Kashmir? No, right? If you look at the Saudi Arabian region, it is a desert region. And on the same latitude, we have our Himalayan region as well, that which is pretty cold throughout the year. This is because of altitude. The region that lies here, the Himalayas, they are at a very great height. This is the reason why, despite of being at the same latitude with Saudi Arabia, Kashmir has a cold type of climate. Why? Because it is situated at a higher altitude. So the climatic conditions at higher altitude varies from that of lower altitude. This is how altitude affects the climate of an area, and it is a very important factor as well. So the topics that we have covered till now are the basic difference between weather and climate. We have covered India's typical climate, that is monsoon type of climate. Further, we have covered two climatic controls. They are latitude and altitude. In the next video, we will be studying about pressure and wind system. So till then, stay safe and have a good day.